What if I told you a 5-cent denture tablet can clean things all over your house better than products that cost 20 times more? From disgusting toothbrush holders and bacteria-filled water bottles to burnt pans, coffee makers, diamond rings, and even toilet bowls, these 8 cleaning tricks sound fake until you see what happens. Let's start at number 8, the toothbrush holder. You probably haven't peeked inside your toothbrush holder in months, but you really should. That sticky pink sludge at the bottom isn't simple toothpaste, it's a bacterial party. The National Sanitation Foundation ran a big household germ study and ranked the toothbrush holder as the 3rd dirtiest spot in the average home, beating both the kitchen sink and the pet bowl. So grab one denture tablet, fill the holder with warm water, drop it in, and walk away for 20 to 30 minutes. The active ingredients are citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, which create that wild fizzing reaction, plus a chemical called sodium percarbonate, which releases oxygen bleach and breaks stains apart from the inside. The bubbles reach every tight corner your bottle brush cannot. Real Simple talked to cleaning expert Claire Helen of Sister Pledge Cleans, and she confirmed the soak works because the fizz physically lifts the gunk out. But hold on a second. These tablets aren't a hospital-grade germ killer. They freshen and they loosen, but they won't wipe out every bug. So rinse the holder, dry it well, and brace yourself. Because what's coming up rescues a mug you thought was ruined forever. And that drops us into number 7, the tea and coffee-stained mug. You know that favorite mug you've owned for years? The one with the brown ring inside that no amount of soap can touch. That stain isn't dirt, it's a chemical bond. Coffee and tea both have stuff called tannins, and tannins love to grip onto ceramic like glue. Regular soap just slides right over them. But denture tablets contain that oxygen bleach we talked about, and oxygen bleach is the exact chemistry that rips tannin stains apart. So fill the mug with warm water, drop in half a tablet, and wait 15 minutes. For really stubborn stains, leave it overnight. Reader's Digest tested this hack, and the results were almost unfair. Mugs that looked permanently stained came out white again. Catherine Green from the cleaning brand Smol confirmed the same trick works on teapots and tea-stained kettles. Just bump it up to 2 tablets if your teapot is bigger. The cost? About 4 cents per mug. A specialty stain remover would run you 10 times that. But this next one goes after something way scarier than a stained mug, and it's sitting on your desk right now. Up next at number 6, the travel mug and water bottle. That stainless steel water bottle you carry around all day is probably growing a film of bacteria right now. A 2022 study by Water Filter Guru tested reusable water bottles and found the average one carried over 40,000 times more bacteria than a toilet seat. 40,000 times! The problem is that narrow neck. No sponge fits inside it, you can't see what's growing down there, and rinsing with water barely does anything. But denture tablets quietly become your best friend. Break one tablet in half, drop it in, fill with warm water, and let it sit for 20 minutes until the fizzing dies down. Brandon Pleshek, a 3rd-generation professional cleaner who runs the channel Clean That Up, tested this on stainless tumblers that looked spotless but smelled off. The soak fixed every single one. The fizz physically reaches places your hand can't, and the oxygen action breaks down the slime that causes that funky smell. Just rinse it really well after, because this thing is going back in your mouth tomorrow morning. But hang tight, because we're about to rescue an old family treasure from the trash. Quick favor, if you're getting value from this video, hit subscribe. It helps the channel, and we've got plenty more cleaning hacks coming your way. Then we hit number 5, the flower vase. Pull out any vase that held flowers in the last 6 months and stare at the bottom. There it is. That cloudy white ring you can never reach. That's hard water buildup mixed with leftover plant gunk, and once it sets in, it's basically permanent. Lots of people just throw the vase away. But cleaning expert Claire Helen told Real Simple something that stopped me cold. She inherited a vase from her grandmother, soaked it for 1 hour with a single denture tablet, and it came out clear as new. The science here is wild. Citric acid in the tablet grabs onto the tiny mineral particles and dissolves them right off the glass. Meanwhile, The fizz carries the cleaner up the narrow neck, where no brush can reach. Drop 1 tablet in warm water, let it sit 20 minutes to a few hours, swirl, and rinse. It works on crystal, glass, ceramic, and basically anything smooth. But quick warning, test it first on antique or hand-painted pieces before you go all in. Now hold up, because hack number 4 might save you from tossing your favorite baking sheet in the trash. Sliding into number 4, the burnt pan. We've all done it. You forgot the pan on the stove, the timer didn't go off, and now you've got something burnt black to the bottom of your favorite cookware. Plenty of people grab steel wool and start scrubbing for an hour. Don't. Reader's Digest had one of their editors test this exact hack on a baking sheet caked with crusted glaze. The kind of mess where you'd expect to chisel the burnt parts off with a screwdriver. Instead, after 1 overnight soak, it washed right off with a soft sponge. The trick is simple. Cover the burnt area with at least ½ an inch of warm water, drop in 1 or 2 tablets depending on how bad it is, and walk away for an hour, or overnight for serious damage. The oxygen action slowly chews through the burnt food and pops it right off the metal. No scrubbing, no scratching, no swearing at the sink. But be careful, this trick works on stainless steel and enamel only. Skip non-stick pans because the oxygen bleach ruins the coating, and avoid bare aluminum because the chemicals can turn it gray. But the machine in your kitchen that's even worse off? You drink from it every morning. Now at number 3, the coffee maker. If you drink coffee every day, your coffee maker is hiding a dirty secret. Inside that machine, calcium and lime scale build up on the heating element and inside the tubing, slowly choking the water flow. The Specialty Coffee Association recommends descaling your coffee maker every month because that buildup makes your morning coffee taste burnt and bitter over time. But you don't need a fancy descaler from Amazon. Fill the water reservoir with warm water, drop in 2 tablets, and wait for them to fully dissolve. Then run a full brew cycle with no grounds in the basket. Follow it up with 1 or 2 clean water cycles to flush out anything left behind. The citric acid attacks the lime scale on the heating element. The oxygen action cuts through coffee oil gunk. And the fizz reaches the internal tubing your brush can't touch. Just one warning. Brandon Pleshek from Clean That Up says for really heavy scale buildup, you still need a proper descaler. But for monthly maintenance, Denture tablets work shockingly well at 1/10 the cost. But hack number 2? It might save you a trip to the jeweler. Coming in at number 2, the diamond ring. The same 5-cent tablet cleaning dentures can make your engagement ring sparkle like the day you got it. Drop 1 tablet into a cup of warm water, add your ring, soak it for a few minutes up to 20 minutes, then rinse under cool water and pat it dry with a soft cloth. The fizz loosens lotion, soap, and grime stuck around the setting without the scratching of toothpaste, which actually damages soft gold over time. But before you toss your ring in, you need to hear something other YouTube videos won't tell you. The Gemological Institute of America discourages this method because the chemicals can be harsh on certain metal settings over many cleanings. So follow these rules carefully. Only use this trick on hard stones like diamonds set in solid gold or platinum. Never use it on silver, pearls, opals, turquoise, coral, plated jewelry, or anything with backed stones, because the backing swells up and loosens the stones forever. For your everyday diamond ring with a basic setting, this trick works beautifully and saves you a trip to the jeweler. But for your grandmother's vintage emerald ring, take it to a pro instead. And the number 1 trick of them all? Plumbers have been hiding it for decades. And finally, the number 1 trick, the toilet bowl. Real plumbers have used this hack for decades and stay quiet about it. Drop 2 or 3 denture tablets into your toilet bowl right before bed. Let them dissolve and work their magic all night long. In the morning, give it a quick brush and flush. The change is unreal. Catherine Green from Small confirmed the technique on Woman and Home, telling readers to drop 2 to 3 tablets overnight as a regular weekly routine. Paolo Filo, owner of Celestial Cleaning Service, told Homes and Gardens to drop a couple of tablets in, wait 10 minutes, then scrub with a brush. The science is brilliant. Citric acid dissolves the calcium and lime scale that creates those stubborn brown toilet rings. The oxygen bleach lifts the brown gunk, and kills the bacteria, causing that gross smell. And the fizz shakes things up below the waterline, where your brush barely reaches anyway. For heavy mineral rings, use 5 or 6 tablets overnight and repeat the second night. Just one catch worth mentioning. This trick only works below the waterline. Streaks above it still need a regular bowl cleaner. But for under a quarter, you can keep your toilet sparkling without buying expensive blue chemical cleaners ever again. And that's exactly why plumbers, professional cleaners, and grandmas everywhere have quietly hoarded these little white miracles for years. And that's 8 genius ways a simple denture tablet can save you time, money, and a whole lot of scrubbing. Drop a comment below and tell me which trick surprised you the most. If you haven't already, hit subscribe for more cleaning hacks like these every week. Then click the video on your screen right now for even more cleaning tips most people have never heard of. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.